Page 16, I heard the bells on Christmas Day. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats in the key signature, but we got some sharps and flats in the music, so okay, whatever. Well, at least we got some sharps. I don't see any flats. But again, okay, whatever. Coming now on pickup beat. I'm going to talk about the right hand first. So you're starting out. Now, on this first full measure, if they're saying a 3, 2, 3, and then a 1, because you can do the 1, it's using 2 fingers on repeated note, that's fine. Or you can simply play the 1 on the first E and have it there, here, here. So 3, 2, and then bring the thumb under, there, and you're there. Either one's fine, I don't. And then lift up for the F sharp. And they're saying thumb. You can do third finger and reach up with the little finger and then clap. That's fine. You don't have to cross over or cross the thumb or anything there if you don't want to. So you decide on what fingering you want to use, and whatever it is, pencil it in if you need to and stick with it. But I'm saying third finger on the second line. Third finger on the G is fine. And then reach up with the little finger on the C. And then you can go to the fifth finger like they're showing there in the second measure at the end of it. And then they want the thumb on the D and the last line there. This is the first measure. Reach down for the B. I mean, their fingering is fine. You can use what's in the book. I'm just offering you other suggestions. I think there's different fingering styles, there's different fingering habits, and so in the style that I learned in college, the one that I use the most is I don't cross my hand over my thumb or any of that any more than I have to, and I don't move the hand around if I don't have to. Everything's just there. I can pretty much play everything legato if I want to. If I take out all the phrasing and I just play it all connected, I can do it with the fingers as much as possible, generally. So, and then we go back and add the phrasing in, whatever. So that's what I'm suggesting. We can, some of these fingerings I suggest, it just follows that pattern. Left hand, you're here, CG, and then a DG. Don't forget these rests, they're important. Play them. And then you come up for the next line, and then here it is an F, G, B. Yeah. Last line, 2, 4, you have a G sharp, and then a rest, and you come down. Then put the hands together. What do you get? A mess, probably. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, the end of the first line, you can do that, or you can use third finger on that, because you're going to use the thumb on the G. And this way you don't have to use the same finger on 2 notes repeated. We don't want to do that if we don't have to. So the fingering for the right hand on that, I'm going to use third finger and then cross the thumb under. So the last measure, the first line is here. Make sure you play all of these rests in the left hand. That fourth beat needs to be silent in most of those measures in the left hand. Now this is not a real fast piece, not a real slow piece. It's just you're kind of happy. Make sure you play the right hand louder than the left. We want to hear the melody. So forth. Let's play it together slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms, and you can speed it up and turn it into music on your own later on. So I'm going to give us 3 counts. Go ahead and put your hands here. Now let's try it out. 1, ready, go. 1 and 2.